Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to draw a slice of pizza. So join along with me and let's get started. So to start off, we need to know that the slice of pizza is a triangular piece. So we're going to draw a triangle starting from the bottom of your page, slightly going up but diagonally. Just like that, go up diagonally and stop. Next, we're going to draw the outer edge of the pizza. Take a little curve. So usually the outer edges are a little more thicker. So that's why I took a curve and then going up, slightly going up. Please follow along. And now we're going to connect it to the bottom part of the tip of this pizza slice. Again, make sure you're having a little gentle curve. So it's like the pizza slice is slightly bent. Next, we're going to create the thickness of the pizza. Oh, but before that, let's draw the pepperonis. Few circles. You can create your own toppings. It can be mushroom, it can be tomatoes. In this case, I'm just drawing pepperoni. Few circles, few onion slices. What's your favorite pizza flavor? Let me know. Yeah, a few more slices of pepperoni. And next we're going to create the thickness. Oh, but before that, let's draw the toppings, other toppings like cheese. On the sides, we're going to create like these curved effects, curved line. Again, it's going to show up to be the thickness of the pizza crust. So let's draw two circles to show the eyes. And within each eye, we're going to draw one more circle. And again, in that circle, the pupil of the eye, we're going to draw two more smaller circles. And that's going to be the glitter or the shine on his eyes. Wonderful. Hey, did you know the word pizza in Italy means pie? Next, between the eyes, we're going to create our usual smile. Starts with a straight line and then going like a curve on the bottom part of his mouth. And we're going to complete it with the lines for his teeth and filling it with black. Next, we're going to create the Next, we're going to create the hatching effects. Hatch effects with small lines, creating that shadow effect using our lines. Great! Wonderful! I hope you're having fun, guys. Next, we're going to create these dot hatches on the pepperoni. So create these small dot hatching. There are different types of hatching. Crisscross, dot. Did you know that the fastest pizza maker can make 14 pizzas in 2 minutes and 35 seconds? That's a record. So now that the artwork is ready with the outlines, we're going to start the coloring process. We're going to pick up our light brown color and start coloring the bottom part of the pizza. So this is going to be the color for the crust, light brown. Let's be very careful around those oozing cheese and going up to the edges of the pizza slice. Continuing with the same color of brown. Let's keep up. Be careful not to spill. Again, make sure you have your erasers with you because, like I say, erasers is an artist's best friend. We all make mistakes, so don't worry. Next, we're going to pick up the color yellow, light yellow for the cheese. Next, we're going to create the tomato sauce. A little bit of tomato sauce on the outer edge of the cheese, just to show that it's oozing out. Not too much, but a little bit. Hey, but if you like tomato sauce more, you can add more red color onto your pizza, and some over on the top part of the pizza. So the tomato sauce comes first, and then over the tomato sauce is the cheese layer. Great job. Next, we're going to continue coloring the cheese. Picking up your yellow color, let's move forward, go all around the eyes, the pepperoni, and the vegetables. Hey, did you know in Japan, squid ink is something that they use to make black pizza crust? Interesting, no? A black pizza crust. In our case, it's a brown pizza crust. We're continuing to fill up with the yellow color. Hey, did you know that each country has its own flavors of pizza that they introduce? Great, let's draw color around the eyes. Be careful when you color it. Great, looking good. Around the mouth, be careful. So now you can see the areas where it is covered with cheese and the areas that has the tomato sauce. Wonderful. Hey, did you know that Americans eat around 350 slices of pizza every second? That's a lot. Anyway, moving forward, coloring the pepperoni. So in this case, we're going to take the orange color and we're going to fill up the pepperoni if that's what you drew, and then some greens for the vegetables. Wonderful. Now we're going to create the shadow effects, a darker brown. In most of my drawings, I create these shadow effects. But if you do not want to create a shadow effect, you can stop it over here. But I think shadows and highlights actually give a pop to your artwork. And be careful when you create that shadow effect around those curves. And even on the cross section, the sides of the pizza crust, make sure you hatch that also, give a shadow. Guys, so if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And also, did you know that the National Pizza Day is celebrated on February 9th? Next, we're going to create the shadow effects of the cheese. A little darker yellow or maybe light brown you can utilize to do this. I'm just going to create some shadow effects around his eyes to pop his eyes a little bit more. Already it's quite big. Next, we're going to create highlights with white color. Oops, sorry. Next, we're going to create highlights using yellow color or white color. And this gives an additional pop to the whole artwork. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's drawing a slice of pizza. So make sure you watch other videos. So thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. It means a lot. So thank you. I'll see you soon.